It has been a while that I haven't been able to upload video, and first of all, I'm sorry for that. I had an accident a couple weeks ago, and not so much of an accident. I was attacked by a dog, a Rottweiler, a while back, and the dog bit my dog and my hand, and I think I have permanent nerve damage on two of my fingers, and I really can't move them or type or write, especially edit videos. And I had to do a surgery. Alongside that, when I was trying to do the surgery, I told myself, might as well. I have a DVA symptom, and I was like, let's take care of this too. Do it all at once now that I'm going under surgery. I be honest, I don't like needles. I'm extremely terrified of getting shots and going under anesthesia, and I don't like the feeling when I take medication afterward. So finally, I decided to do it because I was like, if there is a chance to restore feeling back to my arm, now it's the time, because everything that I do revolves around my arm, and he got my right arm. So my school, my work, and everything has been a complete disaster ever since then. But now that I physically feel a little bit better, I decided to come back in and make a video. My wife is extremely helpful throughout this process. She's been helping me edit my videos and record, get the scenery ready, and prepare myself to do what I love. Unfortunately, there's a lot of things that I cannot do right now. My love and joy was to play the guitar. I can't play my guitar. My joy was to type and update my blog post. Unfortunately, I cannot do. And the biggest of all, my biggest joy was to make these videos and edit. And that unfortunate event has kind of stopped me from everything. But I'm not gonna put myself down, and I'm gonna be strong and power through it in any way that I can. There is a lot of people with a lot of difficulties in this world, and they make the best out of their lives. My life has changed dramatically ever since the accident, and some of you guys know that I was in the military, and I had some post-traumatic stress problem, and then with this attack it just became worse and worse. But I found it my responsibility to let you guys know the things that I'm going through right now at this moment, and let you guys know that even though all of these things are happening, my goal is to be strong and stand by what I love. Something that gives me truly joy and gives me happiness is this. It's to make these types of videos. It's to talk to you guys. I can't really do that in public. But when it comes to YouTube, I have a greater power. It's like everything is changed when I'm making these types of videos. Suddenly I have more power, I have more joy. And I hope that my hand doesn't stop me from doing what I love, and doesn't stop me from achieving what I really want to achieve. First and foremost, I'm doing still a lot of changes to this video and the ways that I'm shooting it. Unfortunately, because of my hand, I cannot really do what I wanted to do before, which is unboxing and everything like that. It's because this hand is just every day is becoming worse and worse, and it's this finger, and a little bit of my thumb that is giving me problem. I can move them, but it's very limited. I sometimes lose sensation as I'm doing things, or when I'm writing. I can hold a pen, but after a while I lose sensation and I don't feel, especially this finger. So I might do a little bit of change into these videos and the ways that I make my videos. But I thank you guys for staying with me, for not leaving me alone in these times. And my hope and my promise to you guys is to every day try to improve, make better content, and make a difference in your life as much as you guys are making a difference in my life. I want to give you guys value, and I want to give you guys best out of the world that I can. So thank you very much to all of you for standing by me and helping me become who I want to become, and helping me be who I am. I'm very grateful for everything that this platform has provided me and allowed me to become who I am. And thank you very much for everything. Thank you for 30,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys on the next one.